I used to hate Brussels sprouts. I hated them. Never wanted anything to do with them. Yet, here we are. Hey everyone, Mark here, and welcome to my channel where I make fun, easy, and delicious recipes. So please hit that subscribe button. So today we're gonna roast Brussels sprouts. Now if you're not a fan, hear me out. We're gonna roast these until they're nutty, savory, crispy, and soft. What's not to like? And if you're still not convinced, I'm just gonna add some pancetta and a maple Dijon glaze. All right, so I have about 2 pounds of Brussels sprouts that I washed and dried. We're gonna remove any brown mushy leaves, and then we're gonna trim off the ends, and then we're gonna cut in half. This is gonna help our Brussels sprouts to get nice and crispy. Once we're all done, we're gonna add all our Brussels sprouts to a bowl and about 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, and then just give it a nice toss to coat everything evenly. Next, grab a large sheet pan that is nice and heavy and sturdy. No need for parchment paper this time around because we wanna develop color. A nice, rich, deep color that will translate to flavor. Spread your Brussels sprouts on the pan without too many touching and place them face down. If we overcrowd our pan and too many are touching, we're gonna end up steaming our Brussels sprouts and they're gonna get all mushy and they're not gonna be good. And we don't want that because we wanna roast and toast and get them all nutty, savory, crispy, and soft. Don't be afraid that you're going to burn them. We wanna take our Brussels sprouts friends to the promised land of flavor, where they can get, say it with me, nutty, savory, crispy, and soft. Now let's roast these little morsels of green goodness for about 30 to 40 minutes in a super hot oven at 450 degrees. Now it's time to make our glaze. Let's add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of cayenne pepper or more, season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, and then just give it a mix and set aside. Now for our pancetta. I have about 150 grams here that I got cut into about 1/2 inch thick rounds, and we're gonna cut them into small little cubes. Pancetta is cured pork belly, and bacon is usually a good substitute if you can't find pancetta. But I like pancetta because it's not smoked like bacon, and it'll give us a nice deeper and richer pork flavor. In a pan on medium to high heat, let's render down our pancetta cubes until they're nice and crispy. Once we're happy with how our pancetta is cooked, we're gonna add that to our maple Dijon mixture along with half or all of the rendered down fat. Our Brussels sprouts are done. Look at that deep, rich color. And watch this. This is a Brussels sprout leaf, so it's gonna be a bit more crispier than the actual Brussels sprout, but listen to this crunch. Add your roasted Brussels sprouts to a large bowl along with your maple Dijon pancetta mixture, and then just give it a nice toss to evenly coat everything. And that's it, we're done. All right, there we have it. Roasted Brussels sprouts with pancetta and a maple Dijon glaze. These are so good, I can just keep eating them. Roasted Brussels sprouts are so good on their own. Adding pancetta and a maple Dijon glaze just takes it to a whole other level. So I hope you give it a go. And as always, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.